If you're considering buying Sage Estimating, there are a few important things you need to know before you make your decision, especially when comparing it to other construction management software options. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly if it's right for your needs or if there's a better choice out there for you. First, Sage Estimating is known for its strong integration with other Sage software, particularly for accounting and payroll. This can save a lot of time by keeping everything in one system, but keep in mind that if you're not already using Sage's ecosystem, the integration might not be as seamless as you'd hope. Next thing to consider is its robust database of cost data. Sage Estimating comes preloaded with a vast amount of material and labor costs, which can make estimating faster and more accurate. However, it's important to note that these databases aren't always as up-to-date as you might want, especially in fast-moving industries or locations where costs fluctuate quickly. The third thing is user interface. While Sage Estimating is powerful, it's not the most intuitive. It might take some time to get the hang of the system, especially if you're new to construction software. Many competitors offer simpler, more modern interfaces that may be more user-friendly for new users. Now, if you're looking for customization, Sage Estimating is definitely strong in this area. The software allows for significant customization to fit your specific estimating needs. This is a big advantage over other software like ProEst or Buildertrend, which may not provide as much flexibility in tailoring the system to your processes. The fifth thing to consider is the pricing structure. Sage Estimating can be on the expensive side, especially when factoring in additional costs for training and support. Depending on your business size, this might be worth it, but if you're a smaller company, you might want to look at more affordable alternatives, such as Buildertrend or CoConstruct. Next, the customer support for Sage Estimating is highly regarded. If you run into issues, their support team is known for being responsive and helpful. However, this is not always the case with all competitors, so it's something to keep in mind if you rely heavily on consistent customer service. The seventh point is its project management integration. Sage Estimating does integrate well with project management tools, but it doesn't have as many built-in project management features as some alternatives like Procore or Buildertrend. If you need a solution that offers both estimating and project management within one platform, you might find Sage Estimating lacking in this area. Next thing to know is its scalability. Sage Estimating is built for medium to large businesses, so if you're running a small operation, you might find some of its features more than what you need. If you're in that situation, you might want to look at simpler options like CoConstruct or Clear Estimates. The ninth point is mobile capabilities. While Sage Estimating offers some mobile functionality, it's not as comprehensive as what you get with cloud-based competitors like ProEst or Buildertrend, which allow you to work on the go from any device with ease. The 10th thing to know is Sage Estimating's reporting capabilities. It provides a range of customizable reports, which is great for tracking project costs, labor, and material expenses. However, some competitors offer even more detailed reporting tools, which might be better for highly complex projects. Next is training. Sage Estimating requires a fair bit of learning, especially if you're new to estimating software. They offer training, but some users feel that it's more difficult to get up to speed compared to more straightforward platforms like Buildertrend. The 12th and final point is its overall effectiveness in the construction industry. If you're already entrenched in Sage's ecosystem and you need a solid, reliable estimating tool, Sage Estimating is a great choice. But for those who want more simplicity, better integrations with project management, or lower pricing, there might be a better option out there for you. In conclusion, Sage Estimating is a solid tool that offers great customization, integration, and support. However, if you're looking for a more user-friendly, cost-effective solution, we recommend checking out our top alternative, which you can try for free.